Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to change column width in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. There are actually two different ways on how you can change the column width. One of which is manually dragging the column. To do so, all you have to do is aim your mouse in between two columns on top of your spreadsheet. Once you see this icon over here, just go ahead and hold your mouse button and drag it however long you want it to be. Let's say I'd like to place it in exactly 15.00, which translates to 110 pixels. And there we go. We just managed to change the column width for column B. Now, the other method is much more intricate and much more detailed and can even change the column width of multiple columns at once. To do so, all we have to do is select multiple columns. Let's say I'd like to change C to N. I'll select those by dragging my mouse while holding the mouse button and going to the Format under the Cells group in the Home tab. Once I click Format, this drop-down list should show up. Let's select Column Width. Now, after selecting Column Width, all we have to do is change the value over here. Since we've already done 15 for column B, let's do the same for the rest of the columns. Once we click OK, there we go. We just adjusted every single column that we wanted to adjust in our spreadsheet. And there we have it. This is how we change the column width in Microsoft Excel.